From YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find a lost controller. Maybe you dropped it in like a seat cushion or something like that on your Nintendo Switch. So if you're using both the Joy-Cons and you lost one, at any point in time you can go down to where it says controllers, and then you can go to find controllers right here and select this. So you can see I have both of them connected in the bottom left, and then I can go to the controller, and on the controller that I have I can press the button. And this is going to go ahead and make it vibrate. So let's go ahead and just touch this. It says controllers will be searched for by activating the vibration feature. Press the L or the R on a nearby controller to make the selected controller vibrate. So I can go over the orange one and then press a button on my blue one, and it will make this one vibrate. You can hear it. Otherwise I can go over here and press this one, and the blue one is going to go ahead and vibrate. So you maybe can hear that when it's in like a seat cushion or something like that. And it says if controllers can't be found, you can select this. And you can go through here. If a controller is on top of clothing or a soft object like a pillow, the vibration might be difficult to hear. Okay, so you do have that as an option, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.